How to create a video that has 3 videos playing together at the same time within one video frame like this here. So this is with the inShot video editor app, and make sure you have the latest update. It is now 2025. I'll give you a example as to how to go about doing this. And of course you will be using your videos so you can have an idea of how this works. And let's get started. Assuming you have the latest update, go into the inShot editor app like this here, and starting with the video option here, go to that. Then you want to start with new. And as you do this, every time you start new, you will notice there is a blank option. Go ahead and select that and press the check mark to get started. So this is going to be like your base video frame. Nothing's going to be in there until you put something in there. So the first thing I want you to do is adjust the aspect ratio or the video frame size. So you want to go to Canvas to do this, and you can choose, let's just say if it's either for a YouTube short or a TikTok video, you want to use the vertical format. You'll notice how it turned like this here, or maybe a YouTube video where you have 3 different videos playing together at the same time. And just a quick tip here, if you have a horizontal video, inserting 3 vertical videos would be the best, and same opposite. If you have a vertical video, then you want to have 3 horizontal videos going across like this here, and that's going to work best. All right, so we'll do the horizontal here, this horizontal video here, press the check mark. Next up, you want to adjust the size, the speed duration of the video, or the time length, I should say. And what I mean by this is this here. So if all your videos are going to be like 20 seconds long or 2 minutes long, set the time for that. So for me, it's going to be about like less than, I'd say like 10 seconds or so, okay, just as a demonstration. All right, so once you've done all that here, now we'll start with inserting our very first video. And to do this, we'll go over to the PIP tool, this one right here. Let me get that macro in for you so you can see what's going on. So when I go here, PIP, it's going to bring up all my videos on my phone. And as always, you can select the one you want and know which one you're viewing by long pressing it. So I'll long press this one here to get an idea of which one it is, and I'll press add. So I'll go ahead and add it, and it's going to appear just like this here. This is going to show up like this for me. And now I'll go ahead and adjust it. So if this is going to be in the middle, you can leave it here in the middle, or you can move it to the right or left. So this is left, this is right. I know some of you are going to comment about that. All right, so now we'll go ahead and add the other video. So just go ahead and add them all in. So press this here, the PIP. That's your second video we'll now insert here. And of course, I'm going to go with this one here. All right, and it'll adjust it. So when it comes up, it's going to appear like this here. You'll adjust it, and you can bring it to your right if you want to. And you can just choose how much of the content for that specific video will show within the video frame. And we'll do this one more time. Some of you may get an error message like this here. And of course, it will still play all videos together. No worries on that there. And I'll go ahead and maybe select this one here. So again, you can long press it to preview it, and then press add once that happens, okay? And then I'll do this, adjust it, okay? So you should now have your 3 videos. You can go about adjusting all of them if you want to, depending on how you want them to be. So while in this view mode here, you can tap on each one of them and adjust the volume for it. So for example, I want to work on this one here. I'll tap on this. These tools will apply to this here. Whatever changes I make here will apply to this video here on my left. So if I want to lower the volume, that's the volume part here for it. And maybe I want to make that video brighter. Maybe it's too dark. So notice how that gets brighter. And once you're done with each of these here, you can also crop it. If you want to crop the video itself, that's that option here. All right, so you'll be taken here and then press the check mark. Any mistakes that you've done before you save it, just press the undo before you save it, and that'll undo the error. Now, just make sure they're all matching the same length. And of course, you can adjust it to how you want it to be. So go ahead and adjust every one of these. And just in case you came out of this view mode like this here, and you don't have access to the other videos again, just go back to PIP and you'll have all these here, all right? So once you're done with all your changes, you just press your check mark and go to export, and then you can save it as a whole video with 3 videos playing at the same time, like inShot.